I'm going to be giving you guys the whole gist. Today, we're going to be talking about YouTube AdSense and how to get your money, your dollars from YouTube. Okay, I'm super excited because I just came back from the bank and I wanted to be sure this was real. Like, yeah, I've been hearing people talk about YouTube money, YouTube AdSense, how to make dollars, how to do this. And doesn't it look cool on me? Like, imagine they're just spraying me dollars everywhere. Like, okay. Welcome guys to the channel. My name is PrincessAnu, and yeah, I'm a commercial pilot license holder with instruments and multi-engine concerning aviation, motivation, and adventure. And yeah. So today I want to talk a little about Google AdSense, like how to get your money, how to, get paid from making YouTube videos. And before I go there, in case you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell also so that you don't miss any of my videos on this channel. Firstly, I'd like to say a very big thank you. Like, I'm already short of words because I really don't know how to start thanking you guys. Like, my faithful, consistent subscribers, commenters. I'm going to call them commenters because there are people that I know their names. They always comment on this channel. They keep commenting and I keep replying and sending loves and loves. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your presence, your support. It's because of you guys that I keep making videos, and it's because of you guys that we have money. We keep making money on the channel. So let's talk about a little bit about Google AdSense. And firstly, before you can become a YouTube partner, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And for me to get that 4,000 hours of watch time, it took me a while. I had to tell my parents, my friends, please keep watching my videos, keep playing it, play it. Because I really needed to hit that 4,000 watch hours. I had the subscribers, but I didn't have the watch hours. So they helped me. They kept watching my videos and all that. Continuous playbacks for me to be able to get that 4,000 hours of watch time. And when I got that, Google is going to send you, when you get your 4,000 hours of watch time and you become monetized, they're going to send you a congratulatory message saying, welcome to the YouTube AdSense program. And I'm telling you, when I got that message, I was overjoyed. I woke up early in the morning. I told my mom, I was like, Mommy, we've been accepted. I was telling some of my friends that, we've been accepted, and I was so happy. And yes, as you can see, I'm still so joyed because it's not easy. Like, making YouTube videos, actually, when I started, just permit me to cut through. When I actually started YouTube, I didn't think about the money part. I wasn't even sure that there was going to be payment and all. But when I discovered, I watch people, because I watch a lot of YouTube videos actually. If I don't watch a YouTube video in a week, or like every day, I'm always trying to watch a YouTube video, and I never knew I would even become part of the YouTube creators. So I never thought about the fact of money, but I thought about it. I'm like, okay, this thing gives people money. Let me get committed to it and also get the money out of it. And I'm happy that I've kept being consistent, with the YouTube. Though recently, I've not been very, very much consistent, but I'm going to try because of the kind of content I make. Trying to help you guys, especially those that are coming into flight school and all that. Like, seriously, I want to make sure that I really help you guys get into your dreams, your ambitions, into becoming a pilot someday, because I am already a licensed pilot and I want you also to become a licensed pilot. So before we go, on plenty talk, like I said, when you're accepted into the YouTube partner program, then they are going to confirm your identity. So they are going to ask you to send your identity, any of your ID cards. Mostly for us here in Nigeria, we usually send our international passport. So me personally, I scanned my international passport, and guys, I did it about 3 times, which is a mistake I made. The first time I snapped it with just my phone, and I was thinking, okay, to be clear enough. It bounced back and said it was not clear, that I have to do it again. The second time when I sent it, also it was not clear. I was still trying to do my phone. When I discovered that you can send it in only 3 times, I did not want to try myself. I'm saying, after all this stress that I've worked, then I will not come to identity verification and I will not be able to. So I actually went to the cyber cafe, scanned my international passport, sent to them, and it was verified. glory. That was another stage I passed through. The next stage after that one, they are going to send this Google AdSense pin. It's a pin that's here. They're going to send it. So my name is actually here. My name is here. If you can see clearly, this is my name. Adetuberu Blessing. I know you can see clearly. Anyways, that is it. Adetuberu Blessing. So they sent it to my home address. They sent it to my home address because they wanted to confirm I am a person, not a robot or somebody, not to be sure, you know, of who you are. So they are going to also send this Google AdSense pin. And guys, let me chip in something about this Google AdSense pin that you need to know. They send this Google AdSense pin like almost immediately, but it takes an average of 4 days to like 2 weeks for it to get to the post office. And don't wait for them to bring, especially if you're in Nigeria, don't wait for them to bring this Google AdSense pin to your house. I'm advising you because me too, I was waiting for them to bring it to my house. I waited for like 2 weeks. Then I think after waiting for like 2 weeks, because they will ask you if you've not gotten it in 2 weeks, it's good that you apply. You can wait for 1 month, then you apply again, then they will send again. So what I did was that after waiting for 2 weeks, they said I now had to come on YouTube and watch a video. Thanks to, I think the name of the lady's channel is Chidera. I watched her video and she talked about getting your Google AdSense, that you have to go there and disturb them and whatever. So I got contact and I kept on calling them. Please, I want to know if my stuff has arrived. Funny enough, they said, in fact, at the time I went to the post office, this thing has already come. But of course, nobody wants to stress. They don't want to really stress themselves in going to check. But when I kept on calling them and all, they checked and they said I should come and collect my Google AdSense pin. I was like, happy! Google AdSense letter had come. So after this, there is a code inside. It usually comes, I don't know if we are allowed to actually review the code, but this kind of covers the code inside. So you get your pin, and so I was sent my pin to verify. So I went online, which is Google AdSense page, and I verified that this was my pin. And guys, after verifying that this is your pin, when they've accepted it, the verification completed and all, what is going to happen next is that you're going to be filling a lot of details about your bank. So I remember then I was on the dining table at home and I was filling a lot of things. I had to confirm from my mom, confirm from my dad, like confirm from them, you know, concerning all those Swift code, sort code, this code, a lot of codes that you have to. But the good thing about those codes is that you'll be getting them like online. If you're with your internet, if you see maybe Swift code for your bank, just type Swift code for, let me assume you're using GT Bank, Swift code for GTB Bank, you're going to get it. If you're using Fidelity, Swift code for Fidelity, whatever bank you're using. Another thing I need to mention is that you need to get a domiciliary account. Some people will say, no, I don't know about that. I don't know about people that don't use domiciliary account, but you need to get a DOM account. That's a dollar account here in Nigeria for you to be able to get your dollars. See these dollars? I got it from my DOM account. Yeah, I'm so happy because the moment I got there, I thought maybe they would give me $20. Anyways, I'm going to come on my first YouTube paycheck. I actually made $104.25. Though I actually wanted a round figure amount for withdrawal. That was why I withdrew only this. And like, you know, I'm a Christian, so I'm going to pay my tithes out of this money. I'm also going to pay my first fruits because it's my first YouTube paycheck. You know what I mean. Yeah, I'm going to pay my tithe, I'm going to pay my first fruits, and I'm going to, what am I going to do with the remaining? Yeah, I don't know, I'm going to think about that, but I'm really excited because it's not easy. Like, I've made over 500 videos on YouTube. Yeah, I know they are educational videos and all, but I wasn't, like, I'm happy. Like, it's not really about the money, but like, making the money, like, is this thing real? Like, is it real? Guys, YouTube is real. YouTube Pay is real. And that's why I'm showing you this. I'm making this video just to encourage those people that started YouTube and you're thinking, am I going to get the money? Is it possible? Will I get to that phase? Guys, let me tell you, you are going to get to that phase. If you start, just stay consistent. You are going to make your money. Google is going to appreciate you for your time on their platform. And it's really a privilege for me because I actually like talking. I actually like teaching. Imagine me being paid for talking. Yeah, I'm actually happy. So guys, this is all for the video. If you have any questions concerning how to fill in all those source codes on how to put in all your bank details. I will try to maybe explain better, probably in the comment section, because you know my channel is not about like YouTube stuff. It's basically about aviation, motivation, and adventure. So I'm just feeling very excited, and I want to encourage you. That's why I made this video, you know, to talk about my first YouTube paycheck. Oh my god, I feel like plastering this on my head. Yes, I feel like doing it. Okay, let's go cash out our money in what we can spend, which is naira. Yeah, we can really spend naira in Nigeria. So let's go and cash it out and spend the money. So guys, till I catch you next time, keep watching Princess Anu TV. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Yeah, subscribe and let me know more contents you want to see on my channel as we continue our job seeking phase. Yeah, before the job comes, at least let's be eating in dollars before the real, you know, pilot money, pilot salary starts coming in. Bye guys, till I see you next time.